If you need to reset your Monster account password, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Monster website. Go to the official Monster website using your preferred web browser. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Monster account. Fill in your email and submit the form to receive a password reset link. Step 5. Follow the instructions in your email. Check your email inbox for a message from Monster containing the password reset link. Click the link and follow the instructions provided to create a new password. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Monster account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Monster's customer support for further assistance.